Hello everybody, today we're taking a closer look at one of the most beautiful plants you'll ever see, the Chinese snowball. Just look at those big fluffy white flowers. They almost look like giant snowballs made of petals. The Chinese snowball's real name is Viburnum macrocephalum. It comes from East Asia, especially China, Korea, and Japan. In China, it's been grown for hundreds of years in gardens and temples because people love its peaceful, elegant look. So when you plant one, you're growing a little piece of history right in your yard. Now let's talk about where it likes to live. The Chinese snowball grows best in USDA zones 7 through 10. That means it loves warm places, like here in the South. It can handle a bit of cold, but it really shines when the weather is mild and sunny. Taking care of a Chinese snowball is pretty easy. Give it full sun or light shade. It loves bright light. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. It likes rich, well drained soil, so that means water can flow through easily. After it blooms, trim it a little to help it grow strong and keep its shape. If you treat it kindly, it'll reward you with huge clusters of flowers every spring. Here are some cool things you might not know. Each flower ball can grow as big as a soccer ball. The blooms start green, then turn pure white as they open. Even though it looks like a hydrangea, it's actually a part of the viburnum family. Butterflies and bees love visiting it, so it's great for pollinators. So that's the Chinese snowball, a plant with ancient roots, easy care, and show-stopping beauty. Whether you're a gardener or just love nature, this flower proves that beauty and history can grow outside your door. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.